Early SEO often feel confusing. A page shows up briefly and then disappears, and people assumes that something went wrong. But in most cases, this assumption is incorrect. What actually happens is Google is still deciding how your page fits. When Google discovers a new page, it doesn't lock in the ranking immediately. Visibility can change because the page is being exposed in many small ways across the different searches and situations. And this movement creates uncertainty, but it's the part of how Google evaluates new content. Nothing is broken at this stage. The system is gathering information. During early testing, Google looks for the alignment. It compares your page with the existing results. It checks whether the content consistently matches with the search intent or not. It observes how the page performs over the time, and these signals don't arrive instantly but accumulate quietly. And that's why SEO rarely feels smooth and predictable. But the problem begins when every movement triggers a change. Frequent edits interrupts the evaluation process. Each major updates ask Google to reassess the pages again. Instead of clarity, this creates a delay. A better approach is to allow stability. Give your pages enough time to be understood. Make improvements deliberately, not emotionally, and support your content with internal links and consistency. This helps testing complete instead of restarting. SEO don't feel random because it lacks a structure, but it feels random because that structure isn't visible. During this phase, the restraint is often the advantage.